Hello everybody, so today in the quest of making one video a day, we are showing you TubeBuddy. It is a thing I'm using. I've been asked how to set up my tabs and stuff like that, and this is a really powerful thing to have. I'm going to show you now. I am actually now trying to put up a video I made right now, and let's go to that site and I'm going to show you. Here I have what I'm going to write in my title and stuff like that. And here you have the tabs. And here comes TubeBuddy's recommendation. You can refresh to update. This is a really powerful tool, and I do not use everything on it, but you can try suggest this, and then you're going to run analysis here, and they're going to see tell you the best what is the best way to go. So you can see 718 has now looking for this Age of Sigmar tag. Lemad Medium is also a big one. Kings of War, this is tag may cause demonetization. So this is telling you, oh, because there is war in the title, you might lose your money if you are showing this on your, but I think this is fine. So I'm putting that tag in. Let's put in more. How to use green stuff. We can use glaze, because all of these are you have to remember, not everything is click go. You need to think about what you have made a video of, and if it is mindly related to what you are tagging, so people don't get angry at you. So try to keep it within. And here you can see 87 people has, I think it is for today, looked for this. So okay, close. So now I have all this in this, and I can go down here and see if I like more things I want to have in. Maybe Games Workshop Warcry is good, I don't know. Painting tutorial, why not? Because what I'm talking about is the old paint for Citadel. I'm talking about Green Stuff Wool, and they have a heck of a lot of stuff in there. And Skiborn Miniatures, no, you know, it's a proxy for everything fantasy and sci-fi related topics. And here you can also, you can go super deep into this, and I do not use half of it, but I'm going to provide a affiliated link to this. So I'm going to use this link, and you can use my, if I get if you use the link, I might get the rich. So stop by and check it out. It is free, but you can also put money in it to make it more better in some ways. But just to use it for the tag tools alone, I think is really good. But you can also use you can make it so that you have end screens are the same, and you can like put your stamp on everything every time, so you can work more efficiently. You don't have to do all that stuff YouTube wants you to do. And here is a checklist. So write a compelling title. Yeah, sure, I'm good at that. Enter a compelling description. Yeah, sure, I'm good at that. Descriptive tags. So that was we were covering. Create a custom thumbnail. I usually, sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. This has actually you can actually make your whole video, and you go through your video and make a point in the video that you can make into a thumbnail and make face and stuff like that. I have used that too, but yeah, I don't know. Monetize, advertising settings. So here is everything, the checklist. If you want to be super good at YouTube, you can do all these things to optimize your video 100 million percent, I don't know. But I use it mostly to just get more suggestions, and he use, you know, what is on YouTube and what people are using and watching for, so it is helping you. And yeah, that is what I want to talk about for the TubeBuddy. I am not the most professional user of it, but I use it and I like it, and enough to I feel comfortable recommend it to others. And you can actually take I can take a channel like PewDiePie, and I can compare his videos with my videos. What the hell, what do I want that for? Because, you know, we are so different in many ways. But you then can see your progress and how many views he has contra you. But you can also have people that are in the same kind of subscription and viewer segment than you, and you can have a little friendly combat with them and see how much you do instead of them. You know, being competitive, but not it's not for I'm never telling people who I am combating against, because it is just for me to set my own goals, and it's not to put anybody down. So but it's a tool here, and I'm not going to show you names. I actually haven't used it for half a year or something like that, but it is interesting and can give you the boost you want to have for producing more videos. So I recommend have a look around and check out more. They make TubeBuddy videos on YouTube. A lot of them are mediocre to bad to watch, but some of them are actually good. So anyways, yeah, that was I wanted to tell you about TubeBuddy. It's affiliated link in the description. Use it. Subscribe and like. Hey! I'm such a good YouTuber. Hey!